how to fix Rocket League not connected to Epic online services on any PC. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just open your Epic Games, click on your profile and click settings. Now just make sure this one is disabled, and then make sure this one is enabled here, and that's it. Now once you're here, just go back, open task manager, and then once you're here, click on memory and close on the application you don't need, and applications that takes your memory, like Google Chrome, right click on it and add task. That's it. Now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just sign out from your account and sign in again, and that's it, because it's just a glitch. And I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.